Bernie. Mary Lou. Where'd the other puppies go? This is Mary Lou. Whoops, there comes Kate. Kate, your ears are back. Come here, Kate. Put those ears forward. Put those ears forward. Kate. Come on, babies. This way. This way. Babies. Hey, what are you eating? This is my lovely neighbor's dog who barks at me every time I'm out in my own yard. He's starting to get on my nerves. He's been on my nerves, actually. Look at him. Boo, are you running away? What do you have, Boo? What do you have, Boo? Boo, what do you have? Show me what you have. It's a piece of poop. You're not going to eat that piece of poop. Give me that. No. Bernie, your ears are back again. What are you doing? Come back here. Come back here.